If you want to get new always on display style on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to themes. Now over here in themes we should be able to go to AODs at the bottom of the screen. In here we can find some example AODs that of course we can use. However, if you're looking for some free content you can find them, for example, at the bottom of this list. Or you can switch to top, and then here on the left side we can switch from all to free. And now in here we should be able to find any image that you want to use on AOD. Let's say I want to use this one, I just have to download it and then apply it. We can choose a clock and an image to be applied or just the image. I'm gonna use both. There we go. Now if I go to AOD, I should be able to see my image. There we go. It's barely visible, but it's there as you can see over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.